we're just checking out what used to be a Mirissa. The town had some problems recently. We don't need to really go into it, but after the season was over, they just came in with the backhoes and destroyed all of the bars on the beach.
Yeah, so the government did this, and it was crazy because I was just riding the motorbike through town, and I see like all this destruction, like everything is just freaking knocked down. It happened to like 25 different bars all along the beach, and all the local people were acting like so shocked and surprised, like they didn't understand what was happening either.
So apparently all the structures were illegal on the beach. None of them had permits to actually be here. I mean, they were pretty concreted in the ground.
They had been here for a long time.
Long time. I imagine they've been here for at least 10 years, yeah?
Yeah, some of them have been here for like 20 years, I think. And they're all just gone in one day, and now the beach is trashed with all this mess from like the government literally just bulldozing people's businesses.
Yeah, so if you're coming to Mirissa for a big party, not happening anytime soon.
Right. Obviously, it's still beautiful. There's still good surfing, ocean, yoga, amazing nature, temples you can visit. I would say still come to Mirissa if you like all that stuff, you know, that's what we do here. But if you were just coming to party on the beach, sorry, you're out of luck.
Out of luck. So this is the story of the end of Sri Lanka's only party town.
Yeah. It's really not a good move tourism-wise.
This is probably one of the top 5 most popular places.
Yeah, for sure. And it's all completely destroyed, so
all gone.
We will see what happens now and how long it takes to get all this cleaned up.
Subscribe now!